This is a service video by GL Technics. Before you start servicing your EBS 100, make sure to disconnect it from any power source and remove the pressure. Firstly, disconnect it from any power source by simply pulling the cable. Now make sure that the hose is connected to the collection tank. Now you can check the gauges, and if they show 0 bar, this is a good indicator. But you can never be certain. This is why you have to follow the next steps. Bring lever A to position A2 and B to B3. Then A to A1 and B to B2. And finally, both levers to position 1. Now you can vent the system by pushing the valve. Your EBS 100 is now pressureless and disconnected from any power source, and you're good to go. In this video, we want to show you how to remove the control unit of your EBS 100. You will need 2 technicians, safety goggles, wipes, 2 slotted screwdrivers, metric size 4 Allen keys, metric size 15 wrenches, metric size 22 wrenches, a collection tray, and 2 wooden slats. Make sure that the wooden slat has a ground clearance of at least 10 millimeters. Work together as a team in order to remove the hoses. Use your wrenches to open the nuts. Have your wipes at hand, as fluid may leak out. Place the other side of the hose in your collection tray. Remove the hoses on the other side as well. Now, remove the cable and then use your metric size 4 Allen key to remove the back plate and the inspection hatch. With the help of your screwdrivers, remove the smaller couplings first. Then remove the bigger coupling. Now use a metric size 4 Allen key to loosen this screw so that you can unplug this cable. Now use the metric size 4 Allen keys to remove the screws that connect the control unit to the cart. You are now able to lift off the control unit of the cart. Place it on the wooden slats by turning it upside down. You can now remove all the other screws very easily. After all screws are gone, it's very easy to lift off the housing. Finally, unplug the grounding cable and you're done with your service.